Okay, we're going to attempt to make all these Lego pieces real quick. I made a new document. You should have a document, and that should put a Part Studio 1 and Assembly 1 in there. We're going to right click on Part Studio 1 and we're going to rename it. And we're going to call this one Lego 4. We'll make the biggest Lego block first. Okay, so I'm going to do a sketch. I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to right click and view normal to. And let's see, I'm going to make a rectangle, and I'm going to put that in here. And let's see, this is going to be 1.20 long, and the height of it is going to be 0.37. Okay, we'll do that. We're going to extrude it, and the width of it is 0.6. Okay, so there we go. We got our brick. We're going to go on a sketch on the top. We're going to make all the little nubs. I'm going to right click, view normal to. Okay, I'm going to make a circle. Come out here a little bit more. Okay, so the diameter of these are 0.17. And then I'm going to dimension it. From here to there is 0.15. And then from here to here is 0.15. I need this linear pattern, and I'm going to select this, and it's going over here to the right. I want it to go, click on this one, and we want it to go 4. We want 4 of those. We don't want an inch between them. We want 0.3 between them. And then downwards, okay, we want it to go down. Yeah, click on this. This should be negative 0.3 between those. So we have them all on there. There they are. Okay, extrude those. And they are going to be extruded up 0.07. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and do the bottom now. We're going to sketch on here like that, and we're going to right click, view normal to sketch plane. And let's see, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make a rectangle border here on the outer edge. And then we want to offset that. So we're going to click and we're going to select all of these edges here so it makes an offset box in the middle. And then we'll click on that, and we're going to do 0.06. That'll be good. Okay, now we want to click some circles, and we're going to put this out here, and diameter is going to be, whoops, mess that up. Let's see. Dimension this is going to be 0.25, and then another circle is going to be 0.20, and then we're going to dimension that from the outer edge to here is 0.3. There. 0.3. Okay, and then we're going to linear pattern this, this, and this. Click on this. This is only 0.3 apart. And 3 times is good. And we just want it once there. So I think that's what we want. That's good. Okay, it's all good. All right, so now we're going to extrude, and we're going to actually click this part here and each of the centers, and we're going in, we're going to remove. Make sure you have it on remove, and we're going to go 0.34. Go in there. Let's see, are we good? Okay, I think we got it. So now what we're going to do is we come down, we're going to Lego 4, we're going to duplicate this, make a copy of it. Now I'll rename this, and we're going to call this Lego 3. Okay, so really all we have to do is come in here and let's edit this first sketch, edit. Still want 0.37, but instead we want this one to be 0.9. We can finish that. And then sketch 2, we did all those top things, edit. Let's look at it from the normal position. Still want that too. Right here, instead of 4 times, we want that to be 3 times. And that'll fix that. Okay, and then the last sketch on the bottom, we want this to be 2 times instead. There we go. Okay, and save that, and that should be it. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to be on Lego 3. I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to come over to here, and I'm going to rename this Lego 2. Okay, so we're going to edit sketch 1 again. And instead of 0.9, now we're just 0.6. And if we edit sketch 2, we want, instead of 3 times, we want twice. Good. Let's get on that one. And then sketch 3. We just want this 1 time. Good. And got that. There's our Lego 2 piece. Okay, so now we got Lego 4 piece, Lego 2 piece, Lego 3 piece. Okay, we need to duplicate this Lego 2 part. So we're going to duplicate that. Click on that duplicated part. We're going to rename this one to be a small angle. And let's see, the first thing we need to do is we can delete the top part of this. So just delete the little knobs off the top, the extrusion and the sketch. We need to go down and edit the last extrusion. And we, instead of going 0.34 in, we only need to go 0.12 in. Okay, and then we need to make a sketch on the side here. And we'll view normal to sketch plane. And we're going to do some line tools here. We're going to start in here a little ways, go up to that corner, over this corner, back down to there. Click a dimension. We want to dimension this point here. That needs to be 0.12. Okay, and then we're going to extrude. We're going to remove all the way through all of that right there. And there we go. We got our small angled piece. All right, we're going to do the large angle piece. So we're going to use the Lego 3. So click on the Lego 3, and we're going to duplicate. And then we'll click on that, and we're going to rename that. We'll call this one large angle. And then we don't need, let's see, we do need the things on the top, but we don't need the things on the bottom. So we're going to delete the bottom part off. Delete that. Delete sketch 3. Okay, and then we're going to, we need to turn this on the bottom, and we need to make a sketch on the bottom. Sketch. I'm going to do view normal sketch plane. Okay, I'm going to come in here. I'm going to make a little rectangle in here. And the height will be like 0.48. And then the width will be 0.18. And then I'm going to dimension this. From there to there is 0.06. And from there to there is also 0.06. Okay, I'm going to get some circles. I'm going to put one right in here. Those are going to be 0.17. Linear pattern that, I guess. This is just one. And this needs to come down twice. And this will be 0.31 or 0.3, negative 0.3 between them. Okay, I need a dimension from there to there is 0.15. I think these need to be in the middle though. So this dimension from here over to here, this should be 0.45. Get them in the middle. Okay, good. I think we got it all. Oh, we gotta put another circle on here. A little tiny circle here in the middle. Let's see. Can I find the middle? Yeah, right there. Good. And this is going to be 0.12, I believe. That's better. Okay. I think we need to extrude. Okay, so I think we're done with our sketch there. Extrude, remove this section, this, and this, and we're only going in 0.07. 0.07. I think that should be okay. All right, so then what we need to do is on the side here, we need to draw a sketch so we can cut some stuff off. We're going to go, well, I'm just going to draw on some angles, or I'll draw on some lines here. Okay, I'll get a dimension tool. From here to here needs to be 0.09. And from here to here, whoops, dimension, there to there, needs to be 0.3. Okay, and we can finish that sketch. And now we can extrude this little section. We're going to remove, and we're going to go through all, save it, and please work. Yeah, it looks pretty good. See it cut right there, nice and neat. And I think that probably is a pretty good piece. So that's the large angle, and that's how to make all 6 pieces.